Today on Mac's Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious cheesy Mornay sauce for our Croque Madame sandwich. So let's get started. And we'll take our grater and we'll grate up some nice Parmesan cheese, maybe a cup and a half. Okay, let's see how we did. Oh yeah, that's way too much. But we can always save it, right? Okay, let's go ahead and put that in a bowl. Okay. There's our grated Parmesan cheese, all grated up nice. Now, normally I don't make this much. I make more. But yeah, you can put this in the refrigerator and, use it on other things, right? So let's put this aside. And we'll take our nice Swiss cheese here and we'll grate some of that up, right? We're looking to grate up maybe a cup and a half. Okay, let's see how we did. Beautiful. Okay, let's put our Swiss cheese in a bowl. Okay. Well, there you have it, our nice Swiss cheese all grated up nicely. And boy, does it smell good, fresh grated. Okay, now all we have to do is start cooking. So let's do that. Okay, let's go ahead and set our burner to low. And we'll take a tablespoon and a half of butter, put that in there. Beautiful. Now we're going to make like a Mornay sauce here instead of a béchamel, because we want to add extra flavor to it, right? Normally a béchamel sauce is just like a white gravy where you add butter, flour, and a little salt and pepper and you're good to go. But here we're going to add cheese and all that good stuff in here. So it'll make it extra tasty. That's always good. So melt your butter, right? Now make sure you're on like low heat here. You don't want to burn your butter. And this is really going to be tasty when it's all done and on that sandwich. Oh yeah, that's going to be good. Okay. Now to our butter, add 1.5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Put that in there. Okay. Mix that around. Now when it gets a little clumpy like that, and you're just about done cooking off most of that flour taste, right? Go ahead and add your 1 cup of warm regular milk. Put that in there. And mix that up. Okay, let's get a whisk and whisk it up good. Now we're going to add some of our grated Parmesan cheese. Yeah, put that in there. That's going to be really tasty. We'll put about half of that in there. And we're going to go ahead and put some of our grated Swiss cheese in there. Right? And a little bit of our cheddar cheese. That makes 3 different kinds of cheese in there. So that's going to be really tasty. And we'll mix that in. Get that cheese all nice and melt it. Okay. Add a little bit of salt to taste. A little bit of pepper. Now I'm using black pepper. Let's mix that in. Boy, this looks good already. Smells even better. Okay, there you go. That's going to be a delicious sauce right there. Now, if you like mac and cheese, just go ahead and make your macaroni and put it in here. You want to taste something good. It's way better than them store-bought box brands, right? Now, you got to figure out just how thick you want this, because when you put it in the refrigerator to cool it down so you can handle it better to make your sandwich, it's going to thicken up some, right? So use your own judgment on when to stop cooking this, and then go ahead and put it in the refrigerator with a piece of plastic wrap on top, right? And make sure when you cover this with your plastic wrap, you don't cover it on top. You cover it down in there. You put your plastic wrap down in there, and what it does is keeps the air off it, and it doesn't form a skin. Then when you put it in the refrigerator and you take it back out to make your sandwich, it spreads like butter. Doesn't that sound good? Okay, now when you get your sauce looking like this, and it's nice and creamy, and everything's incorporated real good, right? Just go ahead and take your egg yolk, right? This makes it taste really good, and it adds a lot of richness to it. And beat that up a little bit, just like this. And put that right in there. That egg's going to help add a lot of richness to this sauce, right? And it's also going to add a nice color to it. So let's mix that in. You got to mix it in real quick, because you don't want to have scrambled eggs in there. See how it changed colors? It looks really nice now. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and put that right in a bowl, just like this. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Okay, let's not forget all that good stuff. Okay. Now take a piece of your cling wrap, right? Instead of putting it on top, we're going to put it right down in there. Put it right on top of there. Just like this. Okay, now we're going to take this and put it right in the refrigerator and let it cool down. Okay, here's our Mornay sauce right out of the refrigerator. Now watch this. See how it's not sticking to anything and it's set? Look at that. Beautiful. No skin is formed. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to put this aside. And we'll take a slice of our nice sourdough bread here, right? And it's lightly toasted. That's what you want. And we're going to go ahead and spread some of our Mornay sauce on there. Look at this. Beautiful. Not too much, just a little bit. Because you don't want it to skid all over the place. So just give it a light coating. If you have too much, just take some off. Just coat the bread. Okay. Then we're going to go ahead and take some of our Parmesan cheese and put that on there. Because we love our cheese, right? Alright. And while we're at it, we might as well put just a little Swiss on there. Not much, just a little bit. Kind of make it taste good. And a little bit of our cheddar. Put that on there. Just a little bit. Okay. Now we're going to take our nice smoked ham. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? And we'll go ahead and put a nice slice right on there, just like that. And see if we can get all 4 of these right on there. Okay. We'll take a little more of our Mornay sauce and we'll put that on top. Okay. Spread that around. All right, and we'll take some more of our grated Parmesan cheese. Yep, and we'll put that on there because we like our Parmesan, right? All right, and a little more of our grated Swiss cheese. Put that on there. Okay, and might as well put some more of our cheddar cheese on top of there, right? Okay. Now we'll take our nice sourdough bread with our Mornay sauce on it, and we'll put that right on top of there, just like that, and push down on it. We kind of want to flatten it a little bit, right? Okay, there you go. Now we'll take most of our Mornay sauce and put it on top, because we like to cover it now. You know, flood it on, put it on there. Put it on there good, because we don't mind if it runs all over now. So. Okay, there you go. Let's spread it around. Now, hopefully this runs all over the place and makes everything taste good. It'll make a nice sandwich, I know that. Okay, now we're going to take what's left of our grated Parmesan cheese, and we're going to put that right on there, just like this. Okay, there you go. Shredded Swiss cheese, and we'll put that on there. Mind you guys, this is a big sandwich here that I'm making, right? Okay. And a little more of our cheddar cheese. Put that on there. Okay. Now we're going to cook this baby. Let's just go ahead and put this in a preheated 400-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, or even longer. It depends on your oven, right? Okay, let's put it in there. Okay guys, here it is, right out of the oven. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Look at all that cheese, all caramelized around the edge. And it is beautiful looking, nice and golden brown up top. Okay guys, let's get our Croque Monsieur out of there so we can cook our egg. And I think we're going to need a bigger spatula than this, right? Because it's pretty big, right? Okay, let's see if we can get under this. Okay, there you go. Let's go ahead and get that out of there and put it right on a cutting board. Just like that. Wow, can you see that? That's a delicious Croque Monsieur right there. Look at all the cheese. And the ham, can you see it? Beautiful. Look at that cheese. Delicious looking. Okay, let's put this aside and let it cool down, because that's way too hot to eat right now. And let's make our egg for the top of this. To turn it into a Croque Madame, right? Okay, our egg looks to be done. Let's go ahead and shut off our burner. And let's get that out of there. Okay, let's see if it's stuck. I don't think so, no. But it's kind of big, right? It's spread out on me a little bit, so let's get under there and see if we can get it out of there. Okay, and we'll put that right on top of our Croque Monsieur to make it a Croque Madame. Look at that. Now we're talking a nice Croque Madame sandwich, and it is huge, guys. You know, you could probably share this with, you know, a friend, or, you know, maybe your wife. Okay, let's go ahead and have a taste, because this is really looking good, and that egg is just perfect. Okay, let's have a taste. Well, here it is, guys, our delicious Croque Madame sandwich. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? It really does, and it is loaded with extra flavor. And that Mornay sauce? Yep, it sure is. Okay, let's go ahead and put a little salt on top. Not much. A tiny bit of pepper, right? And I like to sprinkle it with a little bit of parsley flakes. Just a little bit. Make it look nice, right? Okay, there it is, guys. A Croque Madame. And it is going to be delicious. And that is loaded with ham, loaded with 3 kinds of cheese, and all that cheese and that Mornay sauce. You can't beat that right there. All right, let's get into a taste, because I can't wait. And look at all this cheese down here. Beautiful. All right, guys, let's get into it and see how it tastes. Okay, guys, let's cut that right in half. Let's see how we do. Okay, let's pick it up. See if I can show you. Now, this is the type of sandwich you got to eat with a fork. Look at that sandwich. Can you see it? That is just awesome. And that yolk is perfectly runny, and the white's perfectly done. Beautiful. Okay, let's put this down. And let's have a taste of this one. Well, let's go ahead and have a bite. Look at that, guys. That is just beautiful. And you can mop up your extra yolk, right? Okay, guys, let's just go ahead and have a bite, because that is really, really tasty looking. And you ought to smell all that cheese. Okay, and look at that ham. Beautiful. Okay, let's have a bite. Oh my, is that tasty. If you make them this way, I guarantee you that you'll have somebody knocking at the door. Because these are really delicious. If you let any of your neighbors have one of these, yeah, they'll be over. No question about it. Okay, guys, these were quick and easy to make, right? It's not that hard to make that Mornay sauce, right? You saw me do it, so it's not that hard. Just pop it in the refrigerator, you know, and kind of firm it up so you can use it and spread it around. That's always good. And this really is a tasty sandwich. There's no doubt about it. And I could have these for lunch, heck, even dinner. You don't have to have them for breakfast, you know? Alright guys, since I'm having this for like a brunch, you know what to go good with this? A nice, tall, hot cup of coffee. Doesn't that sound good? It sure does. Alright guys, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. A delicious Croque Madame sandwich. And this is loaded with flavor. That's what's for brunch today. That sounds good. Yeah, maybe I can give you a closer look. Look at that sandwich. Can you believe it? That's just beautiful right there. Look at all the cheese and the ham and egg in there. Boy, is this tasty.